This is a pretty stop. This area is called Waterfalls. Let me point up there, the big old peak that's there. The falls are right over there. I'm going to go over to that bridge and get some shots. I liked this spot right here because of the gorge it creates and the mountain view. Alright, just a slightly different angle coming down towards the bridge. And if I pan over here to the other side, there is a great shot of it right there. Boy, here's another money view right up there. Coming on down. Beautiful. I walked a little further along the bridge and you can kind of see the water shooting out through the little gap. Kind of makes a little bit of a giant whirlpool over there and then heads on down the gorge. This is the Athabasca River. I wonder if some of the waters from the glacier we were at this morning help form this. I need to look more into that. But we're at a place called Athabasca Falls. Sadly, as you look across there, there has been some fire damage in recent years. A lot of the trees in this area are burnt. But there's the falls go over there. I'll just meander over and get some pictures. Looks pretty neat. I'll just walk down the trail a little further. What a great looking falls. There's a bridge just right ahead. I'll get some shots from there. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. It's a great things to see. A little bit lower on the trail. Down. Zoom under the bridge. Comes out right through there. One of the great things about Mother Nature, she does whatever she wants. Alright, there the falls go down under the bridges that we were on right over there. Gorgeous spot.